Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I beg if you just did watch my video for the first time, thank you for clicking on the video and then stay tuned. Okay, this one na Lucy Benjamin TV. For this channel, I dey dish out every celebrity gist, every update where you suppose get, and then I go dey do tutorial on things where I see valuable, things where I know say e go favour my subscribers, which are my families. Here I go dey share am for here, and I also dey share lifestyle content. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then on your notification bell so that you go dey receive every update once I post for my YouTube channel. Okay, so make we just enter into the matter for today. Na still our newly wedded couple na we still dey talk about. Yes, the internet still dey on fire because of the two of them. This week na for them, I tell you my people, this week na for them. Okay, for this video, as you dey see already, some highlights from their reception. Yes, so I share some videos from their reception, and then I could also dey share video of their honeymoon. Davido and him wife don set for their honeymoon. Yes, and then Davido carry a new private jet wey im just buy. My people, he just carry the new private jet, carry im wife make dem go for honeymoon for abroad. So na go dey watch am, una go see everything. The video dey here, so just relax, stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the video, but no forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Abeg, aunty, brother, sister, make I see food eat. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and then put down your comments on the comment section. At least a congratulatory message.
It's just a symbol of
you go cook, abi you no go cook.
Woman should be. Not just that, a typical woman. Put your hand together for that. All right.
Answer me. I must see jet. Oh my God.